Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm excited to walk you through how to create two powerful offer types using the In-Cart Upsell app. We'll be covering cart page cross-sells and quantity discount offers. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about cart page cross-sells. To start, click on Select Products manually to choose the products you want to offer. Once you've picked your products, click Save to move on. Next, you'll want to customize the text and select display options that best match your store's style and messaging. For the best visibility, make sure the offer appears on the cart page by selecting Cart Page as the placement option. You can add conditions using the Add Condition button to show offers based on specific rules, making them more relevant. Lastly, customize the appearance of your offer to blend seamlessly with your website's design and make it look appealing. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish to make your offer live. Now, let's see it in action. On the cart page of one of our in-cart upsell customers, after adding a product from the product page to your cart and heading to the cart page, you'll see the upsell generated by In-Cart Upsell. This offer suggests a product that complements your existing purchase, adding extra value and enhancing your shopping experience. Next, let's create a quantity discount offer. This offer encourages customers to buy more by offering discounts based on the quantity they purchase. It's a fantastic way to boost sales and increase the average order value. Start by clicking on Select Products manually to choose the products you want to offer. Once you've made your selections, click Save to continue. Customize the text and select display options that align with your store's branding and messaging. Make sure it's clear to your shoppers that this is a discounted offer so they recognize the added value. Copy and paste the discount code from your Shopify admin to the discount field in the app. Choose where you want the offer to appear. For bulk purchases, select Ajax Cart as the placement option so customers see the offer immediately after adding an item to their cart. Use the Add Condition button to set rules that match the discount code criteria, ensuring your offer fits perfectly with your promotional strategy. Finally, tailor the appearance of your offer to match your website's design and make it visually appealing. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your offer live. Now let's see this live in action. Add a product from the product page to your cart. Instantly, the cart drawer will open to reveal the quantity discount offer. You can easily add the offer to your cart from there. When you proceed to checkout, the app will automatically apply the discount to your order. It's seamless and convenient. We've explored two powerful offer types using the In-Cart Upsell app: cart page cross-sells and quantity discount offers. These features help boost your sales by suggesting complementary products and encouraging bulk purchases with automatic discounts. Customize the text, display options, and seamlessly integrate these offers to enhance your website and drive customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching and happy upselling!